Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to make this standing desk. We'll be using an adjustable desk base from FlexiSpot. The model is the E6 Max, and this is a nearly silent 3-stage dual motor standing desk frame. This is a heavy duty unit that can lift 330 pounds. The frame is adjustable and can accommodate various desktop sizes from 48 inches up to 75 inches. It's height adjustable between 24.4 inches and 50 inches high. After the assembly of the base, we're going to make a simple desktop, and then we'll fully assemble the desk and go over the operation and features of this FlexiSpot E6 Max desk base. FlexiSpot is also now offering ergonomic office chairs, and they sent one along with this desk frame, so we'll do a quick assembly of the chair and then take a look at it along with the desk when everything is fully assembled. Assembly of the E6 Max is super easy. Everything you need to complete the assembly is included and takes about 15 minutes. So let's get started on that. First parts are these two horizontal brackets, and those are just what connect the top of the legs to the bottom of the desktop. They're also connected to each other from left to right by these 4 hollow tubes, and inside of these hollow tubes go these longer telescoping tubes, which allows the base to be made wider or narrower, and we'll see that as we assemble it. Other components that are included are a set of wheels, and you can either use these or not. They just snap into the bottom of the pedestal. Comes with some wire management, Velcro tape, and a little rubber sticker that can maintain your wires. Has a little bracket to hold the power supply. And then in the other box is the actual power supply and some required wiring to connect it all together once it's installed. This is a control panel that's mounted under the desk, and this is how you raise and lower the unit and set the memory settings. And then all of the components, the control panel, both legs, and the power supply, they all connect to this main control box. These are the 2 feet that connect to the bottom of each leg, and they have adjustments on each corner, so you can raise and lower individually any of the 4 corners and make sure that the unit sits solidly and level on the floor. This is one of the individual legs. There's 2 of these. They are 3-stage, and they each have their own motor. And again, these are very heavy duty, really well made. The first step in assembly is to connect these telescoping brackets. There'll be 2 of them. They each have 3 parts, so the 2 outside tubes and then the tube that goes in between them. And those are tightened down by 4 set screws, 2 on each side. I should mention that the fit and finish for all these parts is really exceptional. It's very heavy duty. This box, when they ship it, weighs about 75 or 80 pounds, and all these parts are heavy steel and are powder coated. Next, the 2 horizontal parts get attached to either end of those tubes, and they are connected with 4 countersunk machine screws. Next, each leg is simply set down into the framework and attached with 4 machine bolts. You can see in this close-up and kind of get an idea of the quality of the construction of this equipment. It's very well put together, heavy steel. You can see where the 3-stage leg is welded to the motor base, and you can just tell that it's very well designed and built. Next we install the feet. Really straightforward, just 4 machine bolts that hold each foot on to the bottom of each lifting column. So that's all there is to the assembly of this desk frame. And here you can see, if you loosen up those set screws, this is how you can adjust the width. And this can accommodate desk sizes as narrow as 45 inches and as wide as 75 inches. So I'm going to next build a desktop for this. I've made several of these desks. I've made them out of solid walnut. I made one out of white oak. I made one out of cherry. And on this one, I thought I'd do something a little different and use some Europly, a couple of layers of Europly plywood. Has a nice look. And so we'll get started on that, build this simple desktop, and then we'll attach it and go through the functionality of this desk frame. We're also going to go over one of the ergonomic chairs that FlexiSpot is now offering. They sent that along, and so we'll open that up and take a look at that and show you that too. To get started with the desktop, we're just going to sandwich together 2 layers of this Europly plywood. It's 18 millimeter. I cut out some blanks to about 65 by maybe 31 inches, I think. And here we're just gluing them together, tacking them together to keep them aligned, and then clamping them. And once it's out of the clamps, I can cut it to its final size. Here I'm adding a 1-inch radius to the corners and then just a slight roundover on the top and bottom edge. And then just several coats of some varnish, and this desktop will be ready. Like I said, it's a simple desktop, but it's very heavy, and I think it'll last and be pretty durable.
Then you hit the reset button to a giant degree. I don't think the Big 12 is a juggernaut.
Once the finish is dry, we can flip the desk over and start to install the base. I chose about a 5-inch overhang on each end, and that can be whatever you want it to be. That's just what I chose for this. I thought it looked about right. So expanding the frame out till it's overhanging of 5 inches on each side, and then just centering it front to back. And then mark some pilot holes with a drill and put in the attaching screws. I think before I do that, I'm going to make the connection in the center between the 2 rails for all the electrical connections. FlexiSpot sends everything you need to assemble this desk, even all the wire management. Here's some little adhesive wire clips. There's a roll of Velcro, and then there's even a little rubber wire keep that you can stick on somewhere on the desk to hold different USB connections, different wires. Once all those wires are zipped up and where we want them, we can attach the frame to the desktop with these 12 screws. Next, we're going to assemble this FlexiSpot ergonomic office chair. There are a lot of parts to this chair, but it goes together really quickly. It's really easy to assemble. All of the bolts and screws are labeled. It takes one tool to assemble it, which is included, and it goes together really easily and turns out to be a really nice chair. So that's all there is to the assembly of this desk frame. FlexiSpot offers many different types of desktops for their standing desks, or you can purchase just the frame only and make your own desktop like we did here today. I've used FlexiSpot a few times before, and their desktops and frames have always been top of the line, very well made products. I'll leave 4 links in the description of this video. One for just the frame with no desktop, one for just the desktop with no frame, one for the complete E6 desk with a frame and a desktop, and one for the ergonomic office chair. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll give this company a look. As I said, I've used their products in the past and I've always been impressed with them. Thanks a lot for watching. I welcome any comments or questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.